Chapter 16 Sita's Trip. A Trip to Los Angeles. It is summer and Sita is planning a surprise trip to the USA for the family. Alex, her husband, is turning 50. She wants to surprise him. She is excited and nervous. She has to make all the preparations. Luckily, she does not have to book hotel rooms. Her sister lives in Los Angeles. LA is a perfect city to spend their summer holiday in. Sita makes a list of all the important things she has to do. Check passports, book air tickets, pack clothes. She must remember everything. I have to book plane tickets. I don't have to book hotel rooms. Air tickets. It is late in the afternoon and Sita is visiting Maria. They are sitting in the study. Sita needs Maria's help. Sita's computer is not working and she has to book her airline tickets. Maria: when do you want to travel? Sita: next week on 10 July. Maria: one way or a round trip? Sita: a round trip. We'll come back on 30 July. Maria: there is one flight with Airlink Airline. It's a direct flight and it costs 4,000 kronor. There is another airline called Silver Air. It only costs 3,000 kronor, so it's cheaper, but you will have a short stop in New York. Sita: I will go for the Silver Airline. Maria: how many seats? Sita: 4 seats. Maria: okay, write your full name and email address here. Sita writes her name and address. Maria: pay for the tickets and check your email. That's it. Sita: oh, thank you, Maria. Maria: no problem. Have a great time in LA. Grammar. I am helping Sita. We are booking plane tickets. She is writing. A surprise. After dinner, Alex watches TV in the living room, while Karan and Anna play in their bedroom. Sita: Karan, Anna, I have a surprise for you. And for you too, Alex. The children come downstairs. Alex turns off the TV and Sita tells them all about the trip to LA. Anna and Karan are very excited. Alex does not like surprises, but he likes Sita's idea. Sita: okay, kids, go to your rooms and pack your bags, please. While Anna and Karan are packing, Sita goes upstairs. Sita: Alex, can you get our suitcases from the basement? Before Alex goes down to the basement, he packs some clothes. After packing, he helps Sita find the passports. While they find the things they need, they chat and smile. I'm so excited. Suitcase. While Sita packs, she talks to Alex. After he watches TV, Alex packs his bag. Before he goes to bed, he takes a shower. At the airport. It is 2 a.m. and everyone is ready to go to the airport. Alex, Sita, kids, come on now. The taxi is here. We must hurry. We must not be late. Sita checks that all the doors and windows are locked. Sita and her family are at the airport. Airline agent. May I have your passports, please? Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in? Sita. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Airline agent. Do you have any suitcases? Sita. Yes, we have 2 suitcases. Airline agent. Okay, here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from Terminal C, Gate 15. Sita. Where is Terminal C? Airline agent. Go straight ahead, then turn right. Follow the signs. Thank you. Airport rules. You must not bring scissors. You must not bring water. You must take out your computer. You must take off your jacket.